Keeping your eyeballs up. Every time you blink, you are going into hypnosis. The more you blink, the deeper and faster you are going into hypnosis. Roll. Breathe in again. Keep your eyeballs up. Breathe out. And just one more time. Breathe in. This time, hold it. Keep the eyeballs up. Even if it's a little strained, keep them up. And this time, as you exhale, keep your eyeballs up. Close your eyelids right down, all the way down. As your eyelids shut down, forget all about the position of your eyes and just drop your chin. Just drop your chin so you really feel that looking down sensation. Just drop your chin down. And I want you to get that same looking down feeling that you might get as you look over a balcony or down a flight of stairs. And as I count backwards, you're going to see your feet, feel your feet, and hear your feet taking each step. Some people are very visual. They can see the steps and their feet and the foot where they have on today taking each step. Other people can feel it. Other people can hear it. It's not important. Your mind is designed to respond to two things, the pictures in your head and the words you hear. And the words I'm saying are causing you to make these pictures. You are right now moving on to step 10. As each muscle, every nerve turns loose, lets loose, and you go deeper. You're taking step 9, and you can feel your feet connecting to each step as you go deeper, deeper, deeper into a profound, powerful, healing level of hypnosis. You are taking step 8. You can see your feet touching that 8th step as you go deeper, deeper, deeper. You're taking step 7. You can see your feet, hear your feet, even feel your feet connecting to each step as you move down, drift down, travel down to a powerful, healing, transformational level of deep, wonderful, empowering hypnosis. So just let yourself go deeper. You are taking step 6. As each muscle, every nerve turns loose, lets loose, and you go deeper. You're taking step 5, going even deeper still, halfway into this powerful, transformational healing vortex. You are taking step 4. As every sound and noise and movement around you carries you deeper and further into powerful, profound, transformational healing hypnosis. You are taking step 3, going deeper with every heartbeat. You are taking step 2. As you gently, calmly, easily move on over to an even deeper level. You are taking step 1, go deeper, deeper, deeper. Your mind knows exactly what go deeper means. It means go deeper into an awareness of yourself. Go deeper into your own internal state. Every time I click my fingers and say these words, go deeper, drift deeper, sink deeper. Your brilliant genius mind is taking you deeper. Go deeper, drift deeper, sink deeper, go deeper, 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 even deeper still. But please be aware that depth of trance is not linked with results. You can be in the lightest state of hypnosis and get the most profound healing. You can be in a deep catatonic state and get the most profound healing. It's not about how deep you are, but it's good to believe we're going deeper. So one more time, go deeper, 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 deeper into a powerful state of self-healing where you begin to understand that your body responds to the words you tell it and the pictures you make in your head from this day on. Those words are yours to change. Those pictures are yours to change. The way you feel about anything is because of the pictures you make in your head and the words you say. But I'm not visual. Yes, you are. You could never worry a day in your life if you weren't visual. So now's the time to visualize. And I want you to simply visualize a tingling sensation in your fingertips. Just think about a tingling sensation moving throughout your 10 fingers. You can feel that tingling all across the tips of your fingers. And as you focus on that tingling, it's increasing all by itself. And you can notice that happening. Move that tingling all across your palms. Focus on that tingling sensation in your palms and notice it increases all by itself. And you can simply observe that happening. The more you think about the tingling in your fingers and palms, the more you can notice it. Now move it down to your toes. Focus on a tingling sensation in the tips of your toes as you focus on that tingling. It's increasing all by itself. And you can notice that tingling moving into the ball of your foot, moving into the arch of your foot. And now move it back to your hands. And now move it back to your feet and have the tingling going on in your hands and your feet. You're learning to move energy around your body. It's as simple as thinking about it. Where a thought goes, energy goes, and healing goes. When you think a thought, you create a physical reaction and an emotional response. And whenever you wish to, a healing response too. So now is the time to begin. You've already seen that you think a thought, it creates a reaction. And you can move that energy just by thinking about it, just by telling your mind, make my hands tingle, now make my feet tingle, now make them both tingle. I want you to imagine just above your head is the most beautiful, powerful vortex of energy. It's moving in a clockwise direction from left to right. This energy is rather like a spinning top. It's a spinning top of energy. It's rather like a tornado. I want you to pick a color, a beautiful healing color, pink, white, silver, gold, blue, the color that works for you. And I want you to notice this vortex is about to move through your body, keeping your body completely within its sphere, and all of your vibrations are going to vibrate at exactly the same frequency as this powerful healing energy vortex. Just like a tornado, just like a spinning top, it has a tail, and that's the first part that's going to move into your body. Then it has a middle section that's wider than your hips and shoulders. Then it has a top. And the midsection's about to move into your mind and really work on outdated beliefs. But remember, because this is moving through your body, you have three times to work on your eyes, your gut, your stomach, your heart, your beliefs, your hair, your metabolic rate, your immune system, whatever you want. So right now, the top of this powerful, beautiful, vibrating, healing energy vortex, which is spinning, turning, twisting, tipping, is touching the top of your head as it moves into your body. It's moving into your head, and rather like a laser, it is geared to go straight into your mindset and find negative thoughts. And as this vortex finds negative thoughts, negative beliefs, negative imprints, negative impressions you picked up years ago that have been stuck in there, just like the rotating brushes of a car wash, it will dislodge them and move them and shove them out of your body, out of your mind, out of your life, like a big broom. That's where it's going. So right now you can feel this spinning energy, this pulsating energy, this turning energy, as this vortex moves completely into your mind. And like a laser, it locates negative thoughts, limiting beliefs, destructive thoughts. I'm not enough. I'm not good enough. I can't do what other people do. I'm not lovable enough. I'm different. this vortex is finding those thoughts and moving them, shoving them, pushing them, moving them out of your mind. It is looking at every syntax, every neuron, and it is dislodging limiting beliefs, limiting thoughts, anything that could have hurt you, held you back, or limited you, anything that could have limited you from learning, from recognizing how lovable you are, from knowing that you can live in perfect health and wellness. Anything that would stop that, delay that, limit that is already being shoved out of your mind, shoved in front of this vortex, ready to be pushed out of your body. But as this vortex is staying in your mind, it can also install some pretty powerful stuff. It can install in you powers of phenomenal recall, incredible confidence, powers of concentration, comprehension, retention, recall, assimilation. Everything you have ever read or experienced in your entire life is in your mind, stored there for your memory. And if you want a phenomenal memory, say to your mind, go ahead and remind me. Your mind is like Google. It is always switched on. It's never on pause. It records everything. And you say to your mind, remind me where my passport is. Take me to my keys. Remind me. And it will do whatever you say. So right now, this vortex is working on coding, installing, imprinting into you a phenomenal memory, incredible, impressive powers of retention, recall, comprehension, concentration, assimilation. Your conscious mind is expanding. Anything you focus on, you remember. And you tell yourself, I have a phenomenal memory, an incredible memory. I have great focus. When I focus, my conscious mind expands. I take in more and more information. I have phenomenal powers of retention, recall, focus. Say that every day, and it can only come true. But now this vortex is moving down to your eyes. It's slowing right down. And it's working on your eyes, working on your vision, so you can see perfectly. It's working on your vision. You're able to see the absolute beauty of you. You're seeing yourself the way your children see you, the way people who love you see you, the way your pets, your friends see you. You're seeing that you are beautiful, you matter, you are deeply significant, you are here for a reason, and you have something phenomenal to offer the world. So allow this vortex to slow right down and work on your eyes. If you have one eye better than the other eye, you can actually do this in your head silently. You can command one eye to use the other better eye as an imprint, as a memory. You can command your mind to go back to its original coding and to give you perfect vision, wonderful vision, outstanding vision. You can see clearly, and in seeing clearly, you see the beauty of you, the wonder of you. Maybe you can even hear that Elvis Presley song playing. It's the wonder of you. And you can play that song in your head every time you do the vortex and see the wonder of you, because when you see the wonder of you, you give the whole world permission to see the wonder of you. So right now, hear that song, see through your own eyes the wonder of you. But also understand that you have immense power to have perfect vision, to have your eyes work perfectly, to have your eyes go back their original coding and to function perfectly, properly, correctly, exactly as nature intended them to and indeed wants them to.